Good morning, this is Paul, and today I am about 6 feet up, showing you the top of our succulent fountain here. So I revised this about a week ago. This is the third version. A few things are original, like the donkey's tail I'll show you on the sides here. They're hanging off pretty far. And for this time, I didn't worry so much about a pattern. I just wanted to have it fill in the next few months, and I think I'm going to have a nice large mature succulent fountain in no time. So at the top layer here, I just put solid ghosties, got a bunch of mature different ones, and some of them I think may not even be, they're going to be related, but I'm not sure if that's a ghostie. I know that usually these ones are here. The colors are a little bit different, so I'm not sure, but either way it's gonna look pretty cool. So there's the top layer, and then the middle layer, it shows a bit more different jades and some aloes, and the theme is just kind of just ghosties throughout it. It's gonna look pretty cool. And then what else do we have here? Well, I like this guy. Here's a Congo aloe, but I just cut it off so it really bronzed in the cold weather we've been getting. It's been getting in the 40s. Here's the mother plant. It's usually more green, as you can see, but it does have that bronze there as well. Very beautiful. So down here we had some aeoniums, and I'm not sure what that thing is. Super cool though. It's a very cool succulent. Has kind of white flowers that stick out. And some aeoniums and different little agaves and aloes. I should say, not agaves. So you can see it's gonna fill in really nicely. These are just about, again, I've been a week or so ago is when I planted them all, and it's gonna look really cool. So here's something original. You can see how large the donkey's tail is. It goes all the way almost down to the ground there. Pretty cool. And I don't know, I really like doing succulent fountains. I hope you give one a shot. If you do, what I would recommend is I would definitely probably use a potting soil. I use cactus and palm mix, so I'd recommend that. And then I water it about twice a week. My only regret here is that we have a bit too much sun, so I'd like to have some different varieties in here. So I maybe need to put a tree up and have a better canopy. That's about all I could think about if I were to do this again. But again, a succulent fountain is a very beautiful way to showcase your plants. And all of these cuttings came from around our yard, so it didn't cost anything except for 2 bags of soil. Alright, give us a like and a subscribe. If you have any questions, give us a comment and we'll see if we can answer it for you. Alright, have a wonderful day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.